Hello and welcome to the Gemini Jets United Express Bombardier CRJ-550. In the new livery, as we start off with the model, we will see the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors, the aircraft Bombardier CRJ-550, the United logo, and 1/400 scale die-cast model. Now going here, we have the Gemini Jets 1/400 scale die-cast model. Item number, the aircraft Bombardier CRJ-550, 1/400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, as real as it gets. Features, Gemini Jets. It should be the same thing on this side, and adult collectible model. Warning, contains small parts, unsustainable for children under 14 years of age, and the Gemini Jets logo. So there's the plane in the box. So I'm going to get it out so we can do an unboxing of it. Just if you want to see, you can see the right there and there. Right now, looking at the aircraft, it looks really nice, just in here. So let's unbox it. Did Gemini Jets redeem themselves? And so there is the aircraft. So let's go in to finer detail. To start off, we have the nose cone, some letters, CRJ-550, the landing gear, the cockpit windows, Star Alliance. I can't read those. That. Start to get into the livery. We have the door. Then moving down, we have the windows, United Express, the lines. We have a baggage compartment, more windows, an overwing exit, and down there, the landing gear. Then we have right here the wingtip. Doesn't want to go in focus. The right wing white, so red, and the wing, which looking down looks pretty nice. And we'll get into focus. Yep, November 504. Golf Juliet, the American flag, a unopened window. Then we get back to the engine, the tail, and here the APU exhaust, and on the other side, it should just be the same. So now I'm gonna put it on the stand so that you can see, and that'll be the video. So this is the front view of the model. None of the gear roll, which is okay. And that is what the back view looks like. I'm pleased to see that Gemini Jets fixed their gear problem. Oh my gosh. It's the second time. So that's what the plane looks like as a top view. It will focus. Sorry for the noise. So that's that. So that is what the model looks like on the stand. It looks really nice. This is my second Bombardier CRJ model. So I now have the CRJ-200 and CRJ-700. This looks really nice. I'm very happy. This will be my second United New Livery model by Gemini Jets, or my only by Gemini Jets or any other collectors. And this will be in many updates as it flies, I think, Chicago O'Hare. There's a lot of flights that go there. Other planes I need in the new livery are the United Express CRJ-200, A320, 737-800, 737-900. Well, I already have the 800. The 737-700 and the A319. I don't know if I said A320 or A319, but so that is the unboxing of a United Express Bombardier CRJ-550 in the new livery. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the airport update.